wanna be stranded. We got the world waiting. Yeah, you know you'll never have to worry. I'll keep you close to me. Never mind all the things that try to shake us down. I know we drifting down. It's time to let go now. Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to live.
Kinancel namin yon just to be with you tonight.
Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to
Heavenly
live.
Father, we thank you for this day that we're celebrating the birthday, 75th birthday of our dear friend and sister, Lynn.
Thank you so much sa mga suporta po sa akin, sa pastoral.
So much ahead when I think of being with you. Nobody else I need, it's true. You radiate everything I need. Got me living like a fly in a big old dream, yeah. If we get lost in the crowd, we'll shout out.
Linda, happy birthday. It's still beauty and sexy.
Make sure that they can hear us now.
Paano mag-art ang isang ina concern sa anak na lasenggo?
Yun nga po, after work kasi sa para ako nagtatrabaho eh.
3, 2, 1, action!
Si Linda ay maganda. Ngayon ay siya ay masaya dahil ngayon ay birthday niya.
Linda, happy birthday and more birthday to
I wish that you'll be a blessing to everyone who around you.
Aww.
Kasi-star ko po siya sa, dito sa CFC, ng mga senior citizen, pero hindi ko naman halata. Lahat po kami magaganda.
Totoo, young looking. Maiyak-iyak ako noong time na yun kasi hindi ko kalain na magagawa niya sa akin. Ganun siya kabait.
Mother din siya sa aking mga anak, kay Jerome, Mika, and Jelens.
Ko alam po ano ibibigay ko sa'yo dahil
Oo nga naman. Everything.
Together.
Thank you for being a best mother. Sa ating relasyon, hindi masusukat ang salitang I love you, kundi sa dami ng pagsubok na nalampasan nating dalawa. Pero araw-araw tayo nating pinipili ang isa't isa, tayo rin dalawa, ang magkasama sa hirap at ginhawa.
Don't be sad that it's over, just be happy that you got to hold some.
Look forward na magkaroon pa tayo ng big events like this. So, happy birthday po, man. We love you.
I keep our memories.
And may you always have good health, overflowing happiness, and many more birthdays to come. Enjoy the rest of the day with your amazing friends and family.
Hi, Mama. We wish you good health, and we wish you to have many more birthdays to come.
Mama, happy birthday! Always stay happy and many more birthdays to come.
Mag-ingat na lang po kayo palagi, ma. God bless always po. And especially kay Papa Mac din po.
Good health sa kayong haba pang buhay para mas lalo pa tayo magsama-sama pa sa maraming alaala sa akin.
Thank you, Ma, and we always love you, and we'll always here to guide you, and we love you from the moon to back. God bless, Ma. I can say now that happiest 75th birthday to our beloved mother, Phil.
Hindi ko makakalimutan ang gabing ito na naging bahagi kayo ng pagdiriwang ng aking 75th birthday. Nawa, sa mga darating pang araw, magkita-kita tayo at mayroon pa tayong susunod na event sa aming 50th wedding anniversary sa October. Sana po, nandiyan pa rin kayo at makasama namin.